skin prep. Love this moisturizer, it's really dewy. It's kind of like Amber Release, but it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell. All you really need for glass skin is a dewy foundation. I'm going to use this one by Givenchy, and then a shiny oil. I'm going to use this one. It smells really good. And something dewy, like liquid luminizer. This one is Dream Tarte Glow Wand Shape Tape. So I'm going to mix those things together. Use Maybelline Tattoo Studio and Lime Smash liner, and the trick is to not get this on your eyelashes. Just go slowly. Make sure your liner is sharpened the whole way through. So you're going to leave that negative space there, and then going under the lash line. I'm using Surratt Violet Autographique liner, and I basically just follow right here and just color this part in. Q-tip. And then another part of this look was doing eye gloss, like right below here, so the eyes look kind of wet and glistening. Surratt Kira eye gloss again. It's a lid lacquer. Add a silvery holographic glitter. This one's by e.l.f. Right on top of that lid lacquer. Literally instead of concealer. When you add mascara, you can just paint right onto the lashes with an angled brush. Some of the moisturizer and use a little pointy brush with the moisturizer on the back of my hand and just try to clean up this even more. Luminous Putty Bronzer and Sun Chaser. I use Baby Brown Mented Lip Gloss and this sparkly e.l.f. lip topper. It's in Mint Sprinkle. It's from the Mint collection. Always blend out the edges. And then I'm just topping the center of the lip with a little bit of green sparkle. Here's the finished look. I hope that you liked it. Subscribe, follow on Instagram for more looks and more content.